Hey, it's Sammy. On February 12th, we took 8 trades in Dow Futures, the YM symbol today, for 262 points. It was a big day with inflation and Fed talking, so let's take a look and see what happened. So this was our first trade we took right after 8:30 news. The market kind of consolidated after that big 15-second, it was like 1 second bar. But essentially what we did was it consolidated here kind of towards the bottom, and we're working our way down to S2 as you can see right there. So let's get the data is just ripping. We're jumping in. We got the trade protected. You can see the market hasn't made a significant pullback yet. We're just testing this bottom. We're going to lock in 32 points. Now the market made a pretty significant pullback. The data's still intact to the short side. We're a little bit late, but we're getting in here. Let's see if we can make it down and retest that low of day. You can see we have that trade protected. We're testing S2 down here. Trade's pulling back, moving around a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and lock in 22 points when we punch back through. This trade happened really fast. I didn't even get a chance to really hit the video. You can see we locked in 40 points on this trade. I was trailing very aggressively because this is just, we're going against a lot of high time frame data, but this is our signature SOTA reversal process, which is why you notice that 1 minute data has flipped over. That's why we're taking these reversal trades mechanically, backed with data, very high probability. So after that reversal, which was actually just simply a pullback, you can notice now all this data has realigned to the short side. We're coming through this support level, we're coming through the deviation band, and we're heading down towards the low of day again. You can see ADR is just down there where we have our take profit set, and we have our trade protected already with that stop loss into a profit position, so it's risk-free. Now we're hitting this 50 Fibonacci level, a very significant area. We're going to lock in 33 points. If you look over to the left, you can see where we hit that 50 Fibonacci level. We pulled back, and now we've got the data. We're coming back through that level. See if we can get ourselves down to ADR. Now the trade did hit ADR. Unfortunately, I had the stop loss move too quick into a break even, and we hit our break even. So the market has moved really aggressively, really quickly off of that ADR or that low of day. And now we have short time frame data confirming the direction for us to go long. You can see we're coming through the open price as well. I'm going to mark a horizontal line where price really stalled out and reversed aggressively. There's something going on there, and we're going to lock in 45 points when we test this area. Okay, all the data is starting to realign back down to the short side now. So basically we're trading the pullbacks and we're trading the trend moves using the data. It's flipping. So now we've got a little pattern here coming off of that price zone. And of course, just like the reason why we marked that area, price reversed from. Guys, we're hitting this support level here, support 2 again. We're going to go ahead and lock in 43 points. This was a really busy day. We're done trading for the day. This is our last trade, our 8th trade. You can see we've got the whole, higher highs and higher lows thing going on here. We got a trend line drawn. All of our data is now starting to decay. So we're going to take this long as we break the trend line and the data starts flipping in our direction. One of the powerfulest things you can do to lock in profit is look over to the left and see what's going on. We can see we're hitting that line again where price keeps reacting, so we're going to lock in 47 points here.